Hello, you guys. Today's another keyboard tutorial. I apologize for not uploading last night, but I kind of have a little list of what I'm going to be coming out, which is I got some congregational songs in E flat. Working on some shouts, some new shouts. Well, it's not really new shouts. You probably been hearing in praise breaks and stuff on the internet. Also, what do I have? I also have some preaching chords. So I've been looking at you guys' comments, so I kind of got a little list of what I'm be coming out with. Also, some other songs. I'm gonna try to get one or two more in this week of just songs that's been coming out. So continue to put in the comments. Try kind of sort of making a little list, but today, real simple. Praise and worship, kind of getting everybody together and opening up with the service with a golden ode. It's called Oh, give thanks. I know if you heard it. Oh, give thanks unto the Lord, for he is good. Yes, he is good. Oh, give thanks unto the Lord, for he is good. Yes, he is good. For he is worthy, worthy. For he is good. Yes, he is good. For he is worthy, worthy. He is good. Yeah. I like this song, real simple. We're doing it in the key of B flat. You can modulate, but doing the key of B flat. There's so many different variations. Like I said, you can watch other videos for all the high tech stuff. We ain't really high tech, it's just more advanced. But you know, on this channel, it's for just basic stuff. Or a lot of stuff is my way. Everybody teach stuff differently, so I'm just gonna teach you the basic chords. So B flat major, B flat, D F. So it's oh. And what I do is I just keep that as I go to the next key in the bass. So in the bass is B flat. So I go oh give. So I don't move in the right hand. Just B flat, D F. B flat. Say B flat in the bass, D in the bass. So it's oh give thanks. And all this is just a E flat major. I just inverted, which is E flat, G, B flat. Which since I'm already here, I'm just doing this same thing. B flat, E flat, G instead of going E flat, G, B flat. So since I'm already here, oh give. I'm switching these two out. It's right here. See these two? I'm just going D F, half step up. E flat and G. So it's like, oh, give thanks. So you're going, oh, give thanks. I'm just keeping the B flat and changing these. Or you can just go to E flat, G, F sharp. E flat, G, B flat. It's up to you. So again, oh, give thanks. And then F major unto F, A, C, unto the, go back to B flat, Lord. And I always do this drop down, which is F major over A. And I do an inverted C, F, A, or F, A, C. So, and then go down to G minor 7. Which is B flat major, B flat, D, F over G. For he is good. C minor 7, C in the bass, E flat major. And of course, I'm doing inverted, which is B flat, E flat, G, or you can go to E flat, G, B flat. Doesn't matter. So I said for he is good. Yes. He is good, which is F major again. Yes, he is B flat major. All right, real simple, y'all. That's just the first part. So, oh, give thanks, B flat major, and then B flat major in the right, and then D in the bass. Oh, give thanks, E flat major unto F major, the Lord, B flat major. Drop down, F major over A, inverted, for he is good. G minor 7, which is B flat major over G. Yes, he is. F major, good. The same thing. Oh, give thanks unto the Lord by the, for he is good. Yes, he is good. Alright, and then the other part, for he is worthy, worthy, for he is good. Yes, he is good, for he is worthy. So what that is just going, worthy, worthy. So it's really, you're just going 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1 for me. So this is E major. I'm doing inverted. And then B flat over D, B flat, D, F over D, C minor 7, which you did before, which is E flat major over C. I'm just doing inverted. And then back to B flat. So E flat major, B flat major over D, E flat major over C, C minor 7, and B flat. So, and I'm doing just playing in the bass. Worthy, worthy. Then you do the same thing in the first part. Drop down, for he is good. Yes, he is good, for he is worthy, worthy. Yes, for he is good. Yes, he is good. And if you're on a number scale, that's why it's important for you to do numbers. This is real easy. And like I was saying, 4, 3, 2, 1. For those who are on the number system, you know what I'm talking about. It's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. So it'd be 1. It'd be 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 6. I'm sorry, 1, 3, 4, 5, 1, 7, 6, 2, 5, 1, then 4, 3, 2, 1, 7, 6, 2, 5, 1. That's pretty much it, guys. Real simple, real short. I wanted to take my time and go slow, but that's just the gist of it. Like I said, also, I don't know if I put that link in there, but in the last video, I believe I did. It's a link in there. If not, I'm put it in this. What's a link in there that breaks down the chords? Like if somebody say F minor 7, A7, such and such diminished. There's a website that you just put in the chord and what it says, and they give you the chords. So if you're looking at other videos, or if you got a chorded sheet and it tell you A diminished, you can go on that website and it has on there A diminished. You type it in or you click it in and it'll show you. So look at the link below, and this will help you guys out. Even this will be good for exercises to get familiar with those terms: A minor 7, E flat minor 7, all those different terms. So get familiar with that, and I hope you have a great day. Be blessed, stay safe, and keep putting God first.